Let's start the next is update employee for that. So if you want to confuse a little bit with the class interchanges, so what you need to do first, you have to open the controller. After controller, you have to down, not down, service. After service, you have to enter the DAO. After DAO, you need a repository package inside. Imply repository. After that, you need the entity class imply.java. So you will get the structured way. So you will not getting confused. So let's uh, do the things of update here. So copy this because the update is same as the save. Paste it and save here. We have to update here. Update imply. Update imply. A method name and employee is equal to here the dot repository dot save employee. Then let's go to the employee service package. Side of employee service class, you have to write the same thing here. Control C and Control D. What you need to change here, instead of save, you have to write update employee. Update employee. Structure. Here, what you are doing, employee dot save employee. What you need to do here, what update update employee, and here message we have write it is employee updated successfully. Updated successfully. The data created. Okay, it should be created as well. Now, what you need to do? Go to the controller package. Employee controller. You have to copy, paste here, and the name of this. Yeah, updated. Update employee. Click on save. Dot update. Dot employee. Instead of post mapping, it will be a put mapping. Mapping is considered as a updating your employee, and the API address will be a update employee. Done update now. Save it. Print package, print class, and run it. After run it, go to the Postman. Instead of post, you just write put. Instead of Amnishad, you write Raju. Okay. Suppose Ram. Ram. Okay. And the email will be Ram. Mention your ID. ID is equal to what would be the ID of this? 2, I think. ID of the shard is 2. Okay. Let's run this. Method not allowed to request post is a Uh, Once again, guys. Guys, here the API of this is updated, right? Okay, run this now. Yeah, we will get employee updated successfully. So let's go to the MySQL and refresh it. Yeah, we will get instead of Shad, we will get Ram ram@gmail.com. So yeah, updated will done now. So after this, so the next we'll do is get all the employee. Means I need to fetch all the employee. I want to get all the employee data in the web page. So for that we need a method called get all employee. We'll implement in the next lecture.